Did you know that making small changes can help you increase your sales on Amazon? And this is particularly important if you're launching a product or you are new on the Amazon platform. You might have heard the term listing optimization, but what exactly does it mean and how can it help you increase your sales on Amazon? Let's take a step back and let's understand first and foremost the psychology or the reasons behind why customers like to purchase products on Amazon. According to the latest statistics, here are the top 3 reasons: convenience, fast shipping, low and or cheap shipping over to anybody's address. So those are the 3 main top reasons, but it's also very important to note that customers like purchasing online and in particular on Amazon because of the reviews, so they can check other people's opinion about the product, and also because of the wide array of products that they can find very conveniently on the website, on websites such as Amazon. Now keep those details in mind because they're going to help you optimize your listing. But before we dive deep into listing optimization and what changes you need to do in order to increase your sales, make sure that you thumbs up this video because it does support our channel. And if you need support and help with setting up your business on Amazon UAE, KSA, Egypt, as well as Turkey, or you are struggling and you need help, make sure that you reach out to us. Amazon Sellers Society is a certified Amazon service provider in the Middle East. You can check how you can reach out to us and how you can book a call with our team on www.assmiddleeast.org. Oh, by the way, you can also find us in your Amazon Seller Central dashboard where you can find us and contact us there as well. Now, in order to optimize your listing, we need to structure and frame your product on Amazon. It's very important that you know who actually is buying your product or who would be interested in buying your product on Amazon. For that, we need to know something known as your customer avatar or your ideal customer for your product on Amazon. We also need to know how your ideal customer is actually finding your product on Amazon. So what is their journey to discover your product? Now that's the easy part because customers on Amazon, or Amazon in particular, is an SE, a search engine based platform, which basically means customers log into Amazon and they type in a particular search term or keyword, thus trying to find your product. Now, it's very easy for you to find keywords because guess what? Other sellers are selling products that are very similar to yours. So all you need to do is to use a tool such as Helium 10 in order to identify those keywords, or you can even do it manually by going through the website, checking out your competitors and seeing what keywords you need to focus on. Now, those keywords are very important for us because we need to add them in order to optimize our listing. More on that in a few. Now, of course, you also know that Amazon is a very visual platform, meaning customers nowadays really look at the images, and images are in particular mainly the reason why customers purchase the product. Text is also very important because just they read the text in order to double check and understand whether or not they understand via the images what they are purchasing. But if you are a new seller and if you're new to sales in general, what should you be adding in your images and who should you be targeting? Now, you might say, well, I want to sell my product to everyone and anyone. That's wrong. Anything related to sales will tell you that if you try to target everyone, you will be targeting no one. You need to have a target audience and you need to really focus on that target audience, while at the same time not eliminating everyone else, but also identifying who your target audience is. Are they male? Are they female? Why are they using the product? Can help you understand what valuable information you need to add into your images and content, your text, so that you are able to sell the product much easier.
Now, this is a very interesting product on Amazon.com. It is a pet leash. Obviously, it's doing quite well with the Amazon Choice Badge. It has almost 100,000 reviews. Absolutely incredible. Now, if you look at the images, they might seem that they are very simple. If you look at the video is really nice. But if you look at the images, they might seem like they're just simple information. However, when we are going to analyze the reviews of this listing, you will find out that the seller was able to really fine-tune who their customer is and how they sell the product to that customer, especially how they sell the product with the images and all of the information that they are providing right here. So as a seller, that's exactly what you need to do in order to try to, eliminate all of the competitors that are actually inside of your listing. What can you do to build some type of a rapport or relationship with the customer that is going to purchase your product? What type of images should you use? Should you use females? Should you use males? And what type of information is your customer looking for, so that you can better explain the information and hopefully get them to purchase your product.
Now, obviously, the dog leash looks incredibly, like it's an incredible product, but how do you identify who is buying this product and how you can kind of do the same thing for your own product? Simply, all you need to do is look at the reviews. As you can see, there are so many reviews for this particular product. All you need to do is to read the reviews, go through it. You can as well use tools like Helium 10 that can help you sift through them. You can also use ChatGPT in order to help you sift through them. And then you need to create a customer avatar. Let me show you how.
Now, based on the reviews, we were able to compile really great information. First of all, we found that 60% of the customers are female and 40% are male, which justifies the reason why the seller was adding mostly female images in their product page. Makes it very, very smart. Who are purchasing these products? Obviously, mostly it's going to be pet owners, but also dog walkers and dog trainers are very interested in this product as well. People mostly use it during the daytime, and they use it in their daily morning walks for their pets, as well as what are the positives of this product and why do people really like it. It's easy to use and it's great value for money and it's good quality. But mostly people focused on how easy it is to use, and that is a feature that would need to be highlighted in your product pages if that would be something or this would be a product that you want to sell something similar to. Obviously, the most important reason as to why the people are using or purchasing this product is for walking dogs at 34%, at 35%, and the quality is something that is very strong for people, and that's one of the reasons why they are really happy with this product at 24%, as well as the feature of the leash being retractable. Now, when you know all of this information, you're able to fine-tune your listing and understand what unique features to highlight in your image, most importantly in your images, so that you can highlight these issues that people really like about this product.
Now that you identified all of those details, you know exactly what features to highlight inside of your product page, your content in general, as well as your images, because you know why people are buying this product and what they are using it for, most importantly, so that you can give them use cases on your images to try to get them to convert to buying your product. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.